We got our hip 90-90, so again, both legs in a 90-degree angle here. We're going to be rotating across, bringing one leg at a time. Try to come up as far as you can before that follow leg comes along. Once you can't go any further, let it flow, bringing it back. Really focusing on creating as much separation between the hips as possible before the other one follows along. And as you're doing this, make sure you keep your feet flat on the ground as it goes. Try not to come up on your heels as much. Just get a little bit more out of your hips, keeping those feet flat on the ground. As you see, I'm using my hands right now to support myself. Progress this even further, work on that hip mobility and strength. Coming up unassisted. And then to take this another step forward, you could hold a med ball in your hands, a weight. But so just focus on getting the motion first. Start here and then progress it. And get those hips nice and loose.